What is up guys, this is Shady Tech, and today in front of me I have Realme 6i, one of the variants of 6 series. And for this model that I got, it comes with 48 megapixel AI quad camera, 5000 massive battery. This is one of the main reasons of this 6i that's different than other 6 series. And of course it comes with Helio G80 processor from MediaTek and 18 watt quick charge, which is the color that I got is white milk. And yeah, it's the box unsealed, even this is my first time unboxing it. So without further ado, let me just quickly open this up. Okay, so what we got here is, hey, welcome to Real Family, Realme. Okay, so first off we got some quick start guides and important information guides, the usual stuff from the manual guide. And you got a silicone case, soft silicone case. We kind of have with a little bit of grayish, light grayish I would say, tone to it. Actually this kind of light tone is much better than clear case, because clear case, as you know, is gonna turn into yellowish and it's gonna turn to like crispy, like hard yellowish color in time. But with grayish, I don't think it's gonna become yellowish that easily. And you got a cutout for the camera and the fingerprint scanner here, and cutout from at the bottom of the port also. So we're gonna put it aside first, and then got the phone itself in glorious white milk color. It is cold. Wow, this wrapper is really sealing the phone off, so it's great to see. Right, so as you can see here, the front side of the phone. On the bottom you got the 3.5, it's nice that they have the 3.5mm jack. And then you got the speaker grill here, USB-C port, and a single speaker grill. On top you have nothing at all. On the left side, okay, so you got the volume rocker on the left side, it seems interesting. And then you got the SIM card slot, I believe it's a dual SIM card. And then on the right side you got the power button. Of course, at the back you got the sticker here, send everything, and then you have this Realme logo at the front, and then the milk white color in the back. So it's made from plastic, but I would say it feels kinda, it's not like, okay, so it's not shiny plastic, so you won't have any fingerprint magnet to it, so you can see when attached. My hand is a little bit sweaty down and you don't see any fingerprint. That's good at all. As for this kinda, you can see there's a little bit of a lining between all this whitish color. I would say it's more subjective feel to it. You might like it, you might not. For me personally, I think it's a great approach that Realme did here that's like different than other manufacturer, I would say. And then you got the 4 camera setup here, and then a single LED flash. Alright, so let's put it up instead of waiting later on. We got a Realme and powered by Android. Alright, so let's see what else we have in the box. You got 3-pin UK style power plug charger with 18 watt charger, this seems over here says. Then we got the port, USB port here. Then you got a cable, a pretty lengthy cable I would say, USB-C cable. And yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of cut out of the box here, and all the way you can see the bottom of the box. Right, that's it. Nothing else from the box. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the phone. Select language, okay. So we got a single front camera here. They call it dew drop or water drop, or what kind of drop it is. but it's still kind of nice cut out. On the chin at the bottom, you have a little bit of a chin here. I wouldn't say it's a huge chin, it's pretty normal, and the size is 6.5, 20:9 ratio, so yeah. Okay, I literally just skipped everything just now, not even connected to Wi-Fi yet, so I just want to see. So this is the interface you got right out of the box. The variants that I got here is 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. And you can get the other variant, which is 4 GB and 128 GB of storage. So there's two kinds of variants you can get in Malaysia market here. I wouldn't say it's the same as other market, but you'd have to take it with your own market. Okay, so let's just quickly go to the about the phone. So you can see here everything is showing Realme version 1.0, processor G80, RAM 3 GB of RAM, and you got 49.4 available out of 64 GB. And model is actually RMX 2040. Okay, so let's just fire up the camera, and I'll just quickly take some photos to show you guys. So I got a Lego piece here, and let's see if I can get some nice shots with it. So this and you can see there's macro lens pop up when I zoom in really close of the about longer. So you got a 1x zoom, you got the wide angle, 2x and 5x. So let's see the difference between the wide angle, the 2x zoom, and the 5x zoom. Wow. All right. Five X zoom looks pretty decent, I would say. It's not that sharp actually, but then it's kind of pushing it because this is a digital zoom, as you know, and this is 2 times. This is wide angle. Wide angle capture pretty good amount of image into the screen actually. And then you got the usual normal. Oh, it's really sharp. It can even pick up some of my dust all around the tire here. That's really sharp for 48 megapixel. I don't think it's even set up to 48 megapixel. Now let me see. Yeah, it's not. I have to make it to 48. So anyway, I'm gonna do another video of reviewing this phone. As for this phone, it's just an initial setup and unboxing of Realme 6i 3 GB of RAM editions. Let's just put on the case. Let's see how it looks. Holy crap! Wow! So this is how it looks with the case on. The case is covering up the phone really nicely. As you can see, it protrudes out a little bit in front of the screen, so it will actually protect the screen itself. If you drop it, well, touch wood, you won't drop it on the floor, but yeah, it can securely cover your phone pretty nicely. So yeah, that's it from me, Shady Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll be testing more of this phone soon. And yeah, see you guys soon. Have a nice day. Bye.